Man, that jump bomb.
Okay, I'm finna install these lights on the G35. Already got the car out here. The customer wants me to change the bulbs out though. Got the battery already unhooked. Already got the battery unhooked. What I'm finna do is take out these, follow across here, and then you got a bolt right up here, and then down here there's a bolt. And once the bumper's off, when I take the bumper off, then I can access the lights and take the lights out. Pretty easy install. Alright, now I'm finna do it. Okay, so I got the bumper off. You can tell it's been previously wrecked or painted, but I got the bumper off. And next step, I'm gonna take the lights out. And I'll fix this because this is bent, so I'm gonna fix that to where it'll go flush evenly before I put this back on together. Alright, next. Okay, now I pulled the lights out and I went ahead and painted this area right here because it was all red. So I went ahead and painted that black back to factory and then took the lights out. Now I'm gonna put the new ones in. Okay, I just finished putting the bumper on, back on, and there you have it. New JDM headlights on the G35 sedan. That's pretty good. All I gotta do is peel this off. A little adjusting on the bumper, but other than that, it's straight. Here's the whole view of the whole car. I wanted to get one more real good look at it before my batteries die on this thing. The finished product. Cleaned up the engine bay too. That's it for this project. Hit me up. Check out my video. Subscribe to me. We'll be doing some more projects in the future.